Hello, I'm Liesel Brink. I'm a correspondence student for almost a year and a half now. I basically knew nothing about drawing before I joined, and the task plan for me included basic things like practicing to draw straight lines without a ruler, drawing ovals, drawing geometric objects from different angles and heights, and doing calligraphy to develop fine motor skills. I then moved to Greek capital orders, contours, rendering techniques, and drawing simple still lifes. I loved the task about the elements of composition. Mr. London also made it easy to draw reclining objects. The tasks come in PDF format and includes a description of how to draw an object. It also outlines what is required from the student and the purpose of the task. Sometimes it also includes instructions of how to build a low polygon model from paper, which is used to draw from life. I also made models of clay. I find the quality of the task very professional and very meaningful. Mr. London is an excellent art tutor who knows his subject well. He's not only a gifted artist, his thinking process is highly analytical, which is apparent from the way he sets up tasks. The correspondence course is definitely beginner friendly, and I recommend it to beginners like me, as one gets taught correctly right from the start. I would like to thank Mr. London for a wonderful course and the time he puts in setting up my task, reviewing my work, giving me advice and answering my questions. It's worth every dollar. Thank you.